Where's Talking Boy? Where's the Talking Boy? Hey, what you see? What you see? Huh? Who are you talking to? Oh, don't bite your face. Huh? What you gonna say? Oh, get that fish. Get that fish. So I just ate, and I went potty. Now I'm laying here, my baby Einstein, and I'm just a-talking. Just a-talking. Hey. Hey. Ooh. Oh, goodness gracious. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Huh? Can you? Hi. Hey, Angel. Hi, Angel. You showing your outfit? Huh? It says, hi, I'm new here. I'm just trying to figure out the world. I'm just trying to figure out the world with this fish. And eating and sleeping. It's very stressful. It's very stressful. I like to talk to this fish. I like to talk to this fish. I do. Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Alright. It's a big talkie, huh?